Alright, what up YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber.
Ain't meant to be fast. Only meant to be fun.
Say it again.
I know I messed.
No, yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. And in this episode, we're gonna be doing everything we can to actually start the truck up next week. So I'm actually, you got something to say?
He is a really good YouTuber. If you don't subscribe, then just subscribe, turn on notifications. Bye-bye. And put
It gets the point across.
thumbs up so you don't miss a video like this. That's what's fun. And subscribe.
Perfect. I couldn't even say it better myself. Alright y'all, but today in this video, we're actually going to be doing everything we can to get the C10 running. So that's going to consist of doing the distributor, plug wires, and doing little things around the truck. So of course we still got Steven here, so he's going to be helping us out. He's going to be making it funny. So let's get on with this video.
But just remember that if you ever want to do this like him, just make sure you have a parent guardian, because I don't want you guys to get hurt.
Businesswoman right here.
And make sure you wear gloves so you wouldn't get oily.
You know what?
Yes.
You're right. I need to follow that. Wear gloves and eye protection, right? Eye protection.
Yes.
Gloves.
I think at all times.
At all times.
At all times.
At all times. All times.
And that means at all times. Yeah, and he is very.
What was it?
He's very dangerous.
All times.
Wear gloves and be safe all the time. Make sure you have eye protection. Make sure you have all your stuff before you get started. You can't miss one single thing or you're not. If you have a blue truck, just like his,
Are you gonna leave me hanging?
he does, and then make sure you really do wear gloves and be safe.
And I don't do any of that, which is sad. But don't follow what I do.
Yeah, don't
Do as I say, not as I do. Today, isn't it ironic that on Thanksgiving is the day that I reach 1,000 subscribers? 1,003 to be exact and inclusive.
Yeah,
1,003. Because they subscribed. They subscribed. Steven subscribed. Everybody subscribed. And we made it to 1,000 on Thanksgiving. Like, how ironic is that? So I just want to say thank you.
Everybody almost subscribed. Thank you so much. He's so thankful. Everybody, almost all in this house subscribed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So make sure you do the same. Make sure you do the same. Click the like button.
And what do likes do? What do likes do? How do they help us out?
Because they are very supportive.
You're right. You're
Make
right.
us happy. So please make us happy, because I know that you guys probably want to make us happy. Her happy, and she has to say something. Do you? We have to get up to a lot of views, like 180. Okay. And we're gonna do a thumb.
All right, Steven, ready to get on with this video, man?
I'm ready. Trying to
ready?
fool you, Pops.
Yeah, my dad. He got sucked in by Chris's beard. Look at his beard. The beard sucked him in. Are you aware of his beard? His beard came out and latched around him. Just like that.
What are you talking about?
Chris's beard. Just latched on to him by conversation. Like
I said this here, Mr. Miyagi.
and I'm Daniel's son. I'm Daniel's son.
Daniel's son.
Dinosaur. Wax on, wax off.
Boom. We'll just start recording now. How about that?
We live.
We live.
We live, baby.
We live, y'all. We live.
Oh my god. Alright, y'all, I'm putting the distributor in right now. And forgive me, because this is like all over the place, but we're just working. We're just working to get it done, you know what I'm saying? So, watch along, laugh a little bit, because, you know, you see what they drinking, so, you know, some jokes gonna fly, because the iced tea is potent tonight, so, you know,
It's flowing.
it's flowing tonight.
So before we do that, put the lube on. What we need to do is orientate the drive shaft.
Orientate the
Drives, pass me the
Coming right up, sir.
the flathead screwdriver, sir.
Oh, flathead screwdriver?
Thank you, my brother.
Ensure that it's long enough to reach said
Thank you, my
slot.
brother. I'm playing.
Oh, yeah.
Let me say this, I'm playing.
My job's always the hardest job.
So we turned the oil pump yesterday, right?
Yes.
So I should have oil inside that line for the oil pressure gauge, right?
Yes, it should have went up.
So I want to look in there to see if it leaked or not, because that would be something we need to know now. What'd you say?
I said, I know we've done this before, but I question if any of our flatheads are long enough. Now, you know what? Granddad over at his house had a screwdriver that was about...
Let's go get it.
About 3 miles. No, that's...
There you go. Reference. The slot.
So, wait a minute.
I know it's a mirror effect.
Like that, yeah. The
No
exact opposite of what I
neurological
did.
interference. So if it's
I would start at 12 and 6. Put the slot at 12 and 6.
That sounds like the move, because that's where you are, right? 12 and 6?
Damn near.
Pretty close, give or take. Okay.
Yeah, and then just make your slight adjustments accordingly.
Gotta be the worst cameraman I could have picked. But hey, man, I try to.
I don't know now. Depends on what kind of footage you get.
I don't know now.
I try to work it, man. You know, but
You doing alright. You doing alright. Because sometimes
you don't have the good.
Sometimes I'm finna call Kevin Dean out right here on the vlog.
Oh,
Kevin
you
Dean
want
won't
to see
even
this on
pan
camera?
up.
Oh, that.
Kevin Dean will there go just listen
that
to you
slot?
talk, and I'll be like, there you go.
And that makes sense.
I gotta take the camera and go like that. Like
yeah.
About this is gonna get, to be quite honest with you. It's kind of pointing right at the number one, actually.
Okay.
Oh, just
That's enough.
that's enough.
Because when you turn it, it's going to get on everything.
Why can't I just put more on there, Steven?
Because
Why?
there's no need.
Why,
There's no
Steven?
need. There's
There's
no
no
need.
need.
Steven, why? Why can't I just have this?
Let's press on.
Why can't I just have this, Steven?
Well, go ahead, slather it on. If you,
I'm just
if
playing,
you-
Steven.
It's working though, Stone. You got it on the ropes.
Ever so gingerly jiggle the red
I
rotor.
think they've made it up already.
Okay, well, press it on down. Bam.
For all the
no, that's not
viewers.
it. It's
Ginger in this context would mean ever so slightly.
Perfect.
So said the man. So said the man with the Moses
do
beard.
you want to get out here?
I also want to. This is a Thanksgiving version.
I'm telling you, that beard latched Kevin Dean in, and then you just went to let him go.
This is
Ain't like Mortal Kombat. Come here.
This is No Shave November at its finest.
That's the wisdom.
Get out.
All right, now we got content.
I can't wait till I can school you in something. I will literally like go out of my way just to record that.
How much of a gap do you have
A popper, confetti
How much
poppers.
of a gap do I have?
on that flange? On that.
About yay there.
Okay, so it won't go down anymore, or you're not sure?
It should go down some more.
Yeah.
I'm just not.
Yeah, let's put it down there.
See?
There you
Oh
go.
yeah, it's
yeah, there
really.
we go.
Now it's flush.
It's not supposed to be all the way out,
Yeah,
cocked out
flush,
like
yeah.
that. That's too. Nah.
Hold on.
I ain't going for it.
Hold yours.
Nobody's asking you to go for it. This is a process. All you have to do is lift it up about 3/4 of an inch. Back
They getting
up.
tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Good. Now we got to do
And
some,
rotate it.
Time, my brother.
tooth.
some
And
table
drop it
talk.
back down again.
Yeah.
Stone, you listening?
No, he's not. He's,
I'm trying to fix myself. He's
digressed.
talking. He's talking.
he digressed.
But I kind of knew, like, you lift it up, and then as soon as it becomes free from the gear, just move it over another
One
tooth.
tooth. Yeah.
One measly little tooth.
Gingerly. All of that's gingerly. The lift and the one tooth is all gingerly.
Absolutely. Gingerly is paramount.
Tooth. It's already a preconceived measurement
Absolutely.
of maybe from 11 to 15 millimeters. This side of the truck, it's
Give me 5 o'clock.
no
5 o'clock.
knowledge.
That right there, give me 5 o'clock when you set it down.
Because right now it's at 6.
It's at 6.
Yeah.
Good title for this video. Gingerly.
Gingerly. Really?
You need
Really?
to put like a.
Ever so.
Y'all need. Do you want a
Says the
YouTube
new-
channel?
Why is it so sticky going down?
Probably because I didn't put enough assembly lube on there, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that.
The lube is not the problem. You're gonna have to lift and jimmy. This right here is when we say that this is the lift and jimmy again.
Wait,
okay.
wait. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I forget.
Okay.
Hold on a second. My leg cramp.
Alright.
It's not an exact daggone science.
No,
you
it
kind of
isn't.
have to
It isn't.
try this and try that, and boom! Oh wait, we did it.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Ooh, uh-oh. Go ahead. Do your thing, Bubba.
Sounds good.
Ooh. That looks saucy.
That
Wait.
might be on the money.
Yeah,
Wait,
about
no,
one
I don't
million.
think it is yet.
Get it, just
I
get
think
it
I need
out.
to bring it out and do one
1 tooth.
one more tooth. Cause I think I got the drive shaft where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about the gear thing.
No.
That looks good.
That was a clear cut statement.
There you
No
go.
question. Actually,
That's there. We in there?
that looks pretty good.
Put that up.
That looks.
Put that on there.
I'll be done.
I do this every single day. I just want to point
Alright.
that out. I just want to say I really appreciate everybody for hitting that subscribe button because I wouldn't be anywhere that I am right
You
now
talking to the
if it wasn't for all of the dope people who
YouTube
decided to
right now.
hit that like button for me.
I didn't put it in a good spot.
They got me where I am today. So I really appreciate you guys. And I am gonna be doing some burnouts. I promise some burnouts to the 1,000 subs. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get this thing running.
And mom's gonna do one of them, right? She gonna do one of the burnouts.
She is good.
We good?
We're good.
Okay.
Woo!
We're good. Hold down clamp.
Let's get it.
Let's get the hold down clamps.
Oh, that's a good question.
guess
Where
you
is
got
that? Well, we're going to find
Oh,
that.
Lord.
We will get back to you guys after this commercial from our sponsor.
Hey, they coming, man. They coming.
Our sponsor is Soul Glow. Let your soul
Do your
Make sure-
thing, Stone.
Make sure you guys actually go ahead and like this video because, you know, if you like the video, then maybe we could actually have like some kind of sponsor deal one day.
Okay.
So
Did you
just
thank him for
like the video
for the 1,000?
for the 1,000? Just wait till I crank this thing up. It's
Wait till we
over.
crank it up. Okay.
It's over.
All right.
So thank y'all for the 1,000. I honestly, I feel like I just can't thank y'all enough. To be quite honest with you, I just can't until the burnout start. Then I'll feel okay with myself. Then I'll be content. But like I said, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video because that's gonna help me circulate. And if you help me circulate, then sponsors, fun stuff.
All right.
I'm sure one of the sponsors is going to be Roscoe's Chicken and Waffle.
And what? Snow Glow. What was the other one? Soul Glow.
There's somebody out there in the nation still wearing
Yeah.
the Jerry curl.
Oh yeah. Yeah. This is
Shout out to my homie
When
Abel.
they were in the
Abel was
office.
wearing one.
Abel got some soul
It's
glow.
coming back to me. 'Cause
Yeah,
See, you should just.
I'm going to pan. I'm panning.
Whoa.
There you go. Look at this. See, I knew you could pan. I knew you could.
The
Did you say that?
terminology-
Which one? What
The
point?
knowledge of terminology.
Hand skills right there.
From the
Absolutely.
cameraman's
I've never seen
perspective.
anybody
I've
pan
never
like that.
seen anybody
In all my
pan
years.
quite like
I
that.
watched some
Absolutely.
panners.
I actually seen him prior to this video planking in there just to get ready for this man.
What?
Absolutely.
What?
That's dedication right there.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Now watch me pan from the humans to the inanimate objects. Look. Watch.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
No choppiness whatsoever.
No, it's smooth.
Smooth
See,
transition.
look, yeah, you could work for Motor Trend. We on our way.
Look
Oh,
at
yeah.
the focus.
1320, here we come.
Absolutely.
Oh, nice.
All right, y'all. So I'm not gonna be putting the plug wires on like I thought because well we don't have the fixings to put the valve covers on, so there's no point because we'd have to kind of maneuver and spaghetti the situation around to get the valve covers on. So we're not gonna do that. But we got the distributor in, as you can see.
Pan.
Thank you so much, Lloyd. You're great.
Awesome.
He just saying it.
Phenomenal.
All right.
As you can see, so we're going to go ahead and put the carburetor on since the only thing holding me back was really just having space to put the distributor in. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay. Now
So
it's time for
all
me to climb
so
this.
all we are needing is just that gasket and this on top. Now, what I suggest to do is coat the gasket thinly with oil on both sides. It seals better.
Gingerly?
I mean, it's all up to you. I mean, I don't know why somebody
Y'all weren't around for that. See, they weren't
I just
around
don't
for the
know why
gingerly
anyone
joke.
would aggressively apply oil to a cardboard gasket, but by all means, if you want to.
No. Gingerly.
I got this. I'll
Gingerly.
take-
See, the
I'll take
reason
care
why
of it,
he
but-
didn't
Oh, you
use
will.
I will. I will.
There you
This-
go.
This is a carburetor.
I have no idea out of what in there.
And you know what his role is?
To the carburetor. It smells
To carburate. That's it.
To
See?
carburate.
Zachary, come on over to this side, man.
I don't know how this drink hasn't gotten knocked over.
I know.
Or something hasn't been dropped in it yet, but it's just hanging in there.
Years of practice.
This thing's his first rodeo.
It's like a superpower.
That's pretty, y'all. That's pretty and majestic.
Look at that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, let's start it up right now.
Mm.
Can you do that?
Can you do that?
No.
Alright guys, I know this video is all over the place, but it's kind of hard to film videos exactly how you want it to be when you got family around. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I love my family, so. But we got a lot of stuff done. Distributor's on, carburetor is semi-on. Gotta source a couple things actually. We gotta find something for that fitting back there, for the brake booster, and for the vacuum canister that I'm gonna be putting on the truck. Also, I need to get some vacuum line and some vacuum fittings because some of these fittings are going to be covered up and I'm not going to use all of them. I got to get, let me write this on the list while I'm thinking about it. I got to get something that's going to clamp the vacuum canister over there to that fender. So I got a couple things I got to get before we can really start this thing up. But I'm, at the very least, going to have it ready tomorrow. At the very least, I'm going to try to have it ready for tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for me. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video for me. Because, you know, every like helps me circulate. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Where, who knows? Who knows what might happen. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.